Hi, this is Mark. I want to say hello again. This is a Sunday evening, and I'm trying to do some YouTube videos to help people as Elsmar V Bulletin software changes over to Xenforo software. I'm already logged in as a software tester. Again, as I showed you, when you press on that, you're going to get some basics. Now, there's really not anything up here at this point because this is a test account. So you're not going to see anything like likes received or your comment newsfeed, anything like that. Again, account details, password and security, privacy, preferences, signatures, who you want to follow, who you want to ignore, and of course your general preferences. But in this video, one of the things I really wanted to show you is that you have aspects such as, for example, when you go to forums and you click on it, you're going to go to the forum homepage. Now, it will look a little bit different when all this is over, the transfer is over. There's been a number of forum usernames that have been truncated, and we have a fix in place for that. But the point being is that, as you will see in a lot of places, if you come up here and you click on forums, you're going to see a list of all the different forums. Now, my intention is you won't have to click subforums. They will all be listed out here. But for right now, if you see subforums, you know that there are other forums that are in here. And for example, here, inspection, prints, drawings, whatever. It shows you that there's a subforum up here, which is specific to AQL. These are the prints, posts, and threads in the regular overall forum of inspection, prints, drawings, and testing, etc. So, and when you get into a forum, say salt spray, that's a recent one. As I said, most of this is about where you are in navigation. You'll see what you see in a lot of forums. Up here, for example, if you click this, you're going to go one step up. And that shows you that there is a subforum here, but these are the general discussion forums. Again, going back to forums, you'll see a number of them that do have subforums listed. Again, eventually I expect to have all subforums listed out here so that you don't have to use a submenu. But when you see subforums, click on that. Some have a lot of subforums. An example is medical device related regulations. You see Canada, China, EU, Japan, etc. Now, there is a subforums menu, but If you just click on that, you're going to see all the subforums right there. So you can go to any subforum, EU medical devices. And again, up here, unfortunately, it's not as clear as it was in vBulletin, but you're going to see where you are for the most part. In vBulletin, we called them navigational links. And you will also see them at the bottom. So you should see them in two places. So if you click on this, that's going to take you up and it's going to show you all the subforms. So that's another, and I guess we'll label this as instruction 2 or something like that. But the point being is, when you navigate through, you can come up to forums. That's going to give you the same thing as if you click this. It's going to give you a list of all the forums. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes and listening to this YouTube video. And I want to remind you that anytime you want, that you have a question, if you click on Contact Us, a form will come up. Please make sure your email address is exact. If it isn't, we will never receive that email. And you will see, for example, an X up here that will close that, what they call a layover. But you can also pretty much click anywhere else and that X will go away. Again, this is Elsmar.com forum, Xenforo instructions, and this will be probably instruction number 2. Thank you for listening. I do hope you subscribe, because that will help me get, I need a couple of hundred people to subscribe for certain YouTube allowances, if you will. In other words, I have to get at least 100 followers before I can do certain things. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Again, this is Mark, and I appreciate it. Thank you.